This could be our next hurricane out here in the Pacific. I believe it's right off the coast of Mexico. It could hit California. Not so sure. It may hit Mexico though. Yeah, it's right off the coast of Mexico. So we'll keep up with it and we'll find out, won't we? Yeah. There's something out there churning.